van tour tayo. Actually, hindi pa siya tapos. Inuna muna namin itong higaan para kahit papano pwede na kaming lumarga. And instead of cabinet, bumili kami muna ng temporary bag. Ayan yung nasa gilid. Marami din siyang pwedeng ilagay. On the other side, yung side na yan ay akin, malaki. And this side is my husband. Smaller, a little bit smaller than mine. And then our plan is the cabinet will be all down there. For the meantime, these are all the stuff that we brought. Actually, it's disaster down there. Kasi wala pa siyang cabinet and drawers, and so we have all the stuff down there. And the van is 2 sides. You can open here. Can be open in this side. And then that, of course, that one there you can open also at the back side. And here you can also open in this side. Yeah, it can also be opened. It's double door slide. Itong bed na to is pwede siyang tupiin. Ito, tupiin to. Itutulak doon. Magiging upuan siya. For the meantime, hindi na namin siya tinupi. Kasi safe naman siya kahit tumatakbo. Very stable naman. It's not moving around. So, okay lang. Kaya hindi namin tinupi. Pero pag uwi namin on Saturday or Sunday, maybe we have to fold it. Because my husband will be using it as a normal vehicle as he goes back to work. And then, this is, of course, the cockpit. This is the driver's seat. It's Ford Tournier. Ford Tournier. May karugtong pa, I forgot. And this is my place. The plan is also that we can turn the set on the other side. For the meantime, hindi pa namin pinaikot kasi it's another cost. But sooner or later, we will also do. So I'll go out and I'll show you from the outside. So this is it from the outside. Well, if the door is open, it's like this. And for the meantime, we also have temporary power line. We have it connected, of course, in the camping. Ang ingay. We connected here. Kaya kami nagpa-park sa mga camping para may power line kami. Makakonect kami sa power and makaligo. They have toilet, shower, and all that, you know. So, temporary muna kasi hindi pa na-installan ng aming installer ang power line sa loob. I think Oswald will do the installation, or maybe the guy who make the bed. We still don't know yet, but we are on it. And then if you go to the back, hold on, I take me the handle. maingay yung nagkakat ng grass. Kung kailan naman. Tsaka naman, ito siya. Ito yung kanyang likod. Ito yung aming bed, of course. Ayan siya. Ito, wala nang karga kasi andun na yung folding table namin. Folding table and chairs and aming refrigerator. Ayan. And then ito yung ibang stuff for cooking. Pinggan, kutsara, baso, tinidor, and all how you call that? All Gewürz. Was ist Gewürz im English? Yung ginagamit pang luto, panghalo, like paminta, asin, and so. Ito din, dito nakalagay yung aming lutuan. Yung portable na maliit lang na parang stove. And maliit lang din na tangke. Parang ganito lang kalaki yung tangke niya. Maliit lang. Mga 4 to 5 cooking ang pwedeng magamit. So, ayan. Sara muna natin kasi may mga dumadaan. Yeah. And the name? Irisa, Eric, and Marisa. Ito tayo. Nahiya naman ako bigla. Kanina walang tao eh. So, ayan siya on the other side. Ito din yung isang side na pwedeng buksan. Dito naman siya. Of course, it's still disaster. Still disaster down there kasi andun lahat nakatambak yung aming mga bagahe. But that's only for the meantime kasi wala pa nga kaming cabinet and drawers. Actually, yung bed alone, guys, itong pagpa-install nito is 2,500 Swiss francs. And that's depende sa rate. That is about 164,000 sa peso. Bed pa lang yan. Binili namin tong sasakyan last year in November. And so we decided to customize it into a mobile camper or camper's van. Kasi nga 2 times kaming nag-rent ng camper's van last year. And we both enjoyed it. We both like it. So that's why nag-decision kaming ibenta yung aming isang sasakyan. May tao. Storbo. Nag-decide kaming ibenta yung aming isang sasakyan tapos bumili kami nito. So ito din sa side meron ding pangalan. Sara na muna natin ito. Dito muna namin dinaan yung aming power line sa bintana. That's only for the meantime. Kasi hindi pa nga na-installan ng power line sa loob. Ang sabi, dito daw yata idadaan para waterproof siya. And then dito somewhere here will be the saksakan installed for the power line. So that's it muna sa ngayon. And again, this is our bed. We've been 3 times pa lang. Kailan kami umalis? Lunes. So tonight will be our 4th night. Pang-apat na naming gabi. Mamaya sa van. So ayan lang siya. Very comfortable naman siya. Good for 2 persons. Pwede ngang 3 eh. Very comfortable. Kasi ano naman eh, makapal naman yung ano niya, bed niya. So it's really, you're just like at home na rin. Very comfortable, very nice. And again, from the cockpit, this is my side here. Of course, ikot natin. And this is from the front view, the bed. Ayan. Diba? Cool. Para lang kayong nagbahay-bahay. Bahay-bahayan. Bahay-bahay. So, ayan lang siya. So, for the meantime, yan lang muna. And of course, may kortina kami. Paggabi, sinasara namin yung kortina para madilim. And doon din, of course, kortina din yan. And I'll just wanna show you quick. Nga pala. Just wanna show you quick the small bug here. Actually, marami siyang laman. Ayan. That's all my stuff. And also here, that's all my stuff. On the other side is my husband's. Marami siyang pwedeng isaksak. Ayan. So, okay. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for watching.